This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Mutual funds and stocks talked in this video are purely used as examples. This video is not meant for advisory or recommendation purpose.
Hello everyone, I am Anish from aliceblue. Welcome back to our technical analysis series. In this video series, we are going to explore various techniques and indicators used in the field of technical analysis. Please watch the entire video and do like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video updates. To know more about the basics of technical analysis like types of chart, support and resistance and candlestick pattern, watch me previous in the technical analysis category. In this video, we are going to explore about inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, its price action and the execution methodology. Come, let's get into this in detail now. Inverted head and shoulder pattern is a bullish reversal chart pattern which is used to identify the potential uptrend from a downtrend. This pattern consists of 3 swing lows and 2 swing highs. The points which connecting the 2 swing highs are known as neck. If the neckline is taken out, we can look for a long side opportunity, which means we can expect the price will be moved from the downtrend to uptrend. Now let's go to our TradingView platform to understand the price action and the execution methodology of a inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Come. Welcome back to our TradingView platform. Here we will understand the inverted head and shoulder pattern formation, its price action and the execution methodology. First, you can see in the pattern session, there is a tool called head and shoulders. This is how her head and shoulders look like. We will see this concept in our last video. Now we can move on to the inverted head and shoulder. Inverted head and shoulder is nothing but it's a reversal pattern from a downtrend to uptrend. You can see this is how an inverted head and shoulder pattern look like. So this pattern is if this pattern is formed in a daily time frame or in a weekly time frame, it give a massive return in the specific script. Now I am in a Sidus Life Science. Here we will identify some patterns in a daily time frame and we will work on it. Right. So you can see the conditions of that inverted head and shoulders pattern is if the neckline is broken out. If the neckline is taken out, we can go for a short side opportunity. You can see here there are 3 swing lows and 2 swing highs. The second swing low is the massive low, which is known as the head, and the third swing low is right shoulder, and the first swing low is head and shoulders. The connecting point between the 2 swing highs are known as the neckline. If the neckline is taken out, we can go for a long side opportunity. And the stop loss should be in the below the head level, head low. And 1:1 as a first target, standard target, and 1:1.5 as a standard second target. Along with that, we can use the support and resistance for the major conformations. You can see now in a daily time frame, just taking the bar replay. Right. So in a daily time frame, I am spotting some. Now you can see the price is completely in a downtrend. Here I am spotting some support and resistance using this level, right? This is a support and this is also a resistance as of now. Just changing the color into green. Yeah, here it is. And yeah, here also, right? And I'm spotting some resistance level in a high level also. This is one of the major resistance, changing the color into red, and resistance which is, here we have a resistance and this is the major resistance. Right. And final target which is around, final resistance which is around here, right. So now we will understand the pattern formation over in a downtrend and we will go for an execution methodology. Shifting into 3, you can see the price is now completely in a downtrend. Now you can see the price is getting rejection from the higher level resistance what we spot before. The price now is in a highly consolidation phase. So you can see now the bottom level support is working, and you can see here Yeah, I think the pattern formation is done. You can see here the price is falling from the higher level to lower level. Now you can see there is a head formation and right shoulder formation. If the neckline is nothing but the lines which is connecting between the two swing highs. Two swing highs are known as neckline. Now we go with magnet option. This one, right, head and shoulders, right. So now you can see the line which is connecting between the two swing highs. I just extended the line, extend right. So this is the neckline. If the neckline is taken out, we can go for a long side opportunity. So you can see here, still the neckline is not taken out. Yeah, now you can see the neckline is taken out. Now we can look for a long side opportunity over here, and our stop loss will be the low of the head swing, and our first target is here, second target is here. I am working on a final target which is all-time high, the target which is near the all-time high over here. So now you can see if the target is achieved or not, and our stop loss is around 17.89% and the target is around 70%, almost 70%. Now let's see. So now price is in a consolidation phase, completely in a consolidation phase. 1 to 10, completely in a consolidation phase. Now it's achieved the second targets, and you can see here how the neckline is act as a support. So you can see here the price is completely now shifting. The price is completely shift from downtrend to uptrend. Let's wait and see if the target is achieved or not. Right, you can see all our target, almost 70% of our target, 70% is achieved, 272 points. So how long it takes to achieve our target, just we need to know now, because we are working on a daily time frame. For that I am using the date range. Here is the breakout, and when our target is achieved, this day our target is achieved. Almost 243 days, which means 360 days and 243 trading days. So for 70% return, which is on 243 trading session, 360 days, almost it's 1 year trading session, it's give a 70% return by using this daily time frame. We can see the lot of examples by using this pattern. For intraday it's something complicated because we are not expecting that kind of move in intraday. Mostly the market should be in a sideways range only. We can use this pattern in short term capital gain as well as in long term capital gain. If you go with weekly time frame, means it give a massive return by using this pattern. Hope you all understand about the inverted head and shoulder short pattern, its price action and the execution methodology. See you in the next video with another interesting technical analysis concept. Until then, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get new video updates. This is Anish signing off. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.